Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drain cleaning machines that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Vevor 66 feet x 5/8 inch drain cleaner machine. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those occasional DIY plumbing jobs at home. Featuring a 250-watt motor and high-quality 65 mn steel cables, this machine offers a solid starting point for clearing blockages in pipes ranging from 1.6 to 4 inches. With 7 interchangeable cutters included, you have enough versatility to tackle various clogs, from sinks to toilets and floor drains. The design is compact, and the machine weighs just under 50 pounds, making it relatively easy to transport and store. While the manual feed system requires a bit more effort compared to models with an automatic feed, it gives you precise control over the cable. One of the key selling points here is the sturdy construction. Its high-strength industrial plastic build ensures durability without adding unnecessary weight. In terms of performance, this machine is capable of handling most residential clogs effectively. However, it's best suited for lighter to medium-duty tasks. The 250-watt motor has its limits and might struggle with extremely stubborn or large blockages. But for the price of $143.90, it's hard to beat the value. If you're a homeowner looking for an affordable and reliable drain cleaner for occasional use, this is a fantastic choice. At number 4, we have the Rigid 5508 PowerClear 120-volt drain cleaning machine kit. This compact and powerful machine is designed for clearing clogs in smaller drain lines, specifically those between 3/4 to 1.5 inches in diameter. It's perfect for tubs, showers, and sinks, making it an excellent choice for homeowners who frequently deal with these types of blockages. The standout feature here is the auto-feed technology, which allows the 30-foot cable to feed in and out of drains with minimal manual handling. This is not only convenient, but also helps keep your hands clean during operation. The clear cover design lets you see how much cable remains, which is a nice touch for monitoring your progress. At just 12 pounds, the Rigid 5508 is incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it suitable for tight spaces. While it's not built for heavy-duty tasks, the Rigid PowerClear excels in its niche. The 450 RPM motor provides enough power to handle common household clogs with ease. Priced at $225, it offers good value for those looking for a simple, user-friendly solution to small drain issues. However, if you need a machine for larger pipes or tougher clogs, you may want to consider other options on this list. At number 3, we have the Vevor 75 feet x 3/8 inch drain cleaner machine. This mid-range option strikes a balance between affordability and performance, making it a versatile choice for homeowners and small business owners alike. Featuring an automatic feed system, this machine powers the cable in and out of pipes effortlessly, saving you time and effort during operation. The 75-foot steel core cable is highly durable and resistant to breakage, twisting, and corrosion, allowing it to navigate complex pipe curves with ease. With 8 interchangeable cutters included, the Vevor 75 feet model is capable of handling blockages in pipes ranging from 2 to 4 inches. The semi-enclosed plastic drum is another thoughtful feature, as it not only protects the cable, but also allows you to monitor its length during use. Weighing in at about 59.5 pounds, this machine is portable enough for most users, thanks to its retractable handle and 7.5-inch wheels. While it's not as powerful as some higher-end models, the 370W motor provides enough torque for medium-duty clogs. Overall, the Vevor 75 feet x 3/8 inch drain cleaner machine offers excellent value at $276.99 and is ideal for those looking for a reliable, all-around performer. Coming in at number 2 is the Vevor 100 feet x 3/8 inch drain cleaner machine. This model is a step up in both cable length and power, making it a fantastic option for more demanding residential and commercial applications. Its automatic feed control system, paired with forward reverse control, ensures that managing the cable is a breeze, especially when dealing with stubborn clogs. The 100-foot steel core cable is built to last, with excellent resistance to twisting and corrosion. This makes it perfect for navigating through challenging pipe systems, whether you're dealing with floor drains, sinks, or toilets. Additionally, the VEVOR comes with 8 interchangeable cutters to handle a variety of blockages effectively. The open-case drum design allows for easy cleaning and real-time monitoring of the cable length, which is a big plus for maintenance. This model is also designed for portability, featuring 8-inch wheels and a foldable handle for easy transport. The 370W motor delivers impressive performance, making it capable of tackling tough clogs in pipes ranging from 2 to 4 inches. Priced at $329.99, the VEVOR 100 feet model offers a great mix of power, durability, and convenience, making it a top choice for professionals and serious DIYers. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the VEVOR 120 FT x 5/8-inch drain cleaner machine. This is the premium option on our list, and for good reason. With a massive 120-foot cable and a powerful 370-watt motor, this machine is built to conquer the toughest drain cleaning jobs. The 2 sectional cables, 120 x 5/8 and 23 x 3/8, are made from durable 65 MN steel, ensuring they can withstand heavy use without breaking or corroding. The manual feed control system allows for precise operation, while the CW-CCW control enhances the machine's efficiency in tackling stubborn blockages. With 7 quick change cutters included, this model is versatile enough to handle a wide range of applications, from residential drains to commercial pipelines. The sturdy plastic construction ensures long-term durability, while the compact design makes it relatively easy to store when not in use. At $349.99, the VEVOR 120-foot machine is the most expensive option on our list, but it delivers exceptional performance, especially for professionals or those with frequent heavy-duty cleaning needs. Its combination of power, cable length, and build quality makes it the ultimate drain cleaning machine for serious users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.